Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Personalization because that centralizes display options and avoids hunting through menus. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. Once done, click Lock Screen on the left to move toward Screensaver controls. Make sure to scroll down until you see the Screensaver settings link. Windows nests that legacy dialog here deliberately for backward compatibility. This approach is faster and avoids settings fragmentation, so you can reach the classic screensaver dialog directly and proceed to pick. You now pick the screensaver and refine how it behaves. From the screensaver dropdown, select one that fits. Windows includes options like 3D text and bubbles. Third-party choices appear here too if installed. Next, set the wait time in minutes to control inactivity delay and toggle on resume. Display log-on screen if you want security on wake. Use the preview button to confirm visual behavior, and then click Apply so your selection persists while you move to final system-level checks and personalization. You finish by confirming and testing the change so it actually runs. Click OK to close the dialog, and then wait the configured time or manually test with preview again. Make sure multiple monitors are handled as you expect. If it fails to start, first check power and sleep settings and ensure display sleep doesn't interfere. Then verify display drivers are current. As a quick fix, restart Explorer or update the graphics driver. This resolves most issues caused by hung processes or outdated drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.